If you are in Australia, you must have heard of Bunnings. It is one of the most popular hardware store in Australia in every part of the country. This job of Azure DevSecOps engineer is for Bunnings in their Sydney office. The work arrangement is quite flexible, and the main skills you would need for this job is an extensive experience in hardening Kubernetes environments, adding security controls and best security practices for Docker images. You also need to have extensive experience with SAST and DAST tools and integrate these tools with CI/CD pipelines and creating workflows that help a team shift security practices to the left of their deliveries lifecycle. You also need to have experience of managing secrets through HashiCorp Vault. Plus, you should have broad understanding of TeamCity continuous delivery, Octopus deploy, Git continuous integration, Terraform container concept, and similar security tooling. You should also have good working knowledge of Kubernetes in Azure Kubernetes Service and also some of the visibility in Azure Web Apps, Function Apps, container instances, etc. You should also have some familiarity with NPM plus in-depth understanding of DevSecOps technologies and best practices. So if you think you have it, then go to Bunnings website and apply for this job. Thank you.